Hi friend, this is Manoj Jemne, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtoli, Lohara. In the previous videos, we had discussed about the beginning part of the story, The Lottery Ticket, which is written by Anton Chekhov. Today in this video, we will discuss about the remaining part of the story. Okay. In the last video, we had seen that the central character of the story, Ivan Dimitrich, and his wife Masha laugh at each other thinking about the money and the lottery which they have owned in imagination. Okay, and picture came crowding and they thought that they if they own the lottery, what they would do with the money, and they thought that they will buy bungalow or the estate in the Oriole, in anywhere there is a silent place in the nature place. Okay, and the picture came crowding on his imagination and continuously he imagined that each more gracious and poetical than the last, and each and every imagination become more gracious and poetical than the last imagination, and in all these pictures he saw himself well fed, serene, healthy, felt warm, even hot, and in that imagination, in that poetical imagination, he saw himself well fed, healthy, warm, and hot also. Here, after eating a summer soup, cold as ice, he lay on his back on the burning sand close to a stream or in a garden under the lime tree. And he saw that, he imagined that, he saw the picture where he saw himself well fed, healthy, and after eating soup or summer soup or cold as ice, एखाद्या थंड बर्फाप्रमाणे सूप पेल्यानंतर खाल्ल्यानंतर ही ले ऑन हिज बॅक आणि तो काय लेटून जाणार, ही रेस्ट ऑन बर्निंग सँड, एकदम हळूवार असा गरम शांड वाडूवर क्लोज टू अ स्टीम, झऱ्याच्या पाशी तो काय आराम करणार अंडर द लाईन ट्री. It is hot and the atmosphere is very hot. His little boy and a girl crawling about near, and he imagined that the boy and the girls, his boy and the girls means his daughter and sons crawling about near him, त्याच्या आजूबाजूला त्याचा मुलगा मुलगी खेळत आहे. Just like he imagined, digging in the sand, and his son and daughter digging in the sand, catching the ladybird in the grass. He dodges sweetly, thinking of nothing. थोडा वेळ तो काहीच विचार करत नाही, and feeling all over that he need not to go to the office today, tomorrow, and the day after. And he thought that if he has more and more money, if he has $75,000, he will never go to the office, not today, not tomorrow, and the day after also, or tired of laying still, and तसाच तो पडून राहणार. He goes to the hayfield or to the forest for mushroom, and he will go to forest for mushrooms or watches the pigeons catching fish with the net, आणि तो त्या पिजन्सला, त्या शेतकऱ्यांना पाहायला जाणार who were catch fishes with the net. When the sun set, he takes, and again he imagined that when the sun sets, जेव्हा सूर्य मावळणार, he takes a towel and soap and saunter to the bathing set, and at the time of evening, means while sun is setting, he will go to bath with a towel and a soap, where he undresses At his leisure, slowly rubs with ants. While bathing, he will become napped. Slowly rubs his bare chest and he slowly rubs his chest with his hand and goes into the water and he will go to the water. And in that water, near the opaque soapy circle, little fish flit to and fro, and green water weeds nod their heads. After bathing and after completing his bath, there is a tea with a cream and milk rolls. In the evening time, a walk or weed with the neighbors, and at that evening, he will walk with his neighbors. Yes, it would be nice to buy an estate, and it is very nice to buy such estate, said his wife. And असं सांगितल्यानंतर त्याची जी पत्नी असतं माशा said that yes, it would be nice to buy estate, also dreaming, and from her face it was evident that she was enchanted by the thought, and she thought that it is an enchanted thought means एक चमत्कारिक असे विचार त्याच्या डोक्यामध्ये येत आहेत and it is very nice and it would be very fruitful, it would be very beautiful for them. Okay, the rest of the part of the story we will discuss today, sorry, tomorrow.